Okay, for this question, we're interested in the yield of hydrogen. Okay, so this is what we're trying to achieve. And we're trying to maximize the yield of hydrogen. So because it's a reversible reaction, what you want is equilibrium to shift to the right. You want to favor the forward reaction. The question is about whether high or low pressure would do that. Now remember, if you increase the pressure, so high pressure will always favor the direction with the fewer number of moles of gas. So if you, let's see how many moles of gas we have. We have 1 mole of gas here, 1 mole of gas here, 1 here, and 3 here. So you've got 4 on the right and 2 on the left. So the side with the greater number of moles of gas is the right. So high pressure favors the side with lower number of moles of gas. And low pressure does the opposite. It favors the side with the higher number of moles of gas. Why is that? Because if you reduce the pressure, according to Le Chatelier's principle, if you reduce the pressure, the reaction will try to oppose that change by increasing the pressure. How do you increase the pressure? By having more particles in the same volume. So it'll favor the right direction. The opposite is true. If you increase the pressure, the reaction will try to counter that by reducing the number of particles of gas, by favoring the left direction. So what we want is highest yield. That means we want more of this, and this is on the side with the 4 moles. So if you want to favor the side with the higher number of moles, then what you want is to reduce the pressure. So the question's weirdly phrased. Predict whether high or low pressure would produce the highest yield. I'd say low pressure. And the reason is there's larger number of moles of gas on the right. So reduced pressure favors the forward reaction. I don't know if that's clear. Let me try changing the color. Yep, so I hope that's clear. If you want to increase the yield of hydrogen, you want the reaction to go that way. That's going to increase the number of moles of gas. So what you need to do is reduce the pressure so that the equilibrium will shift to the right to counter that. I hope that was helpful.